Dr. Jaco Smith, and welcome to the Dental Studio. We are based in Dubai, but this show is for anybody watching all over the world. I've created this show to give us the opportunity to speak with yourself one-to-one, for you to ask any dental-related question outside of the clinical arena, any question that you've never felt comfortable asking your dentist. And it gives me the opportunity to give you the information and material to improve on your and your family's dental health and dental experience. I really would like you to have teeth for life. So welcome to the Dental Studio.